Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the two doorbells, the two smart doorbells in their own way. This is the cheapest doorbell with $17.99 and this is the costliest or the most famous doorbell in the market. And I'm going to go through the latest variants of this doorbell. So stay tuned and let's go ahead. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Bharat Ahuja and you are on David Tech. In this video we are going to talk about the doorbells, the smart doorbells. Now when I say smart doorbells, they are all smart in their own way. But in this video we are going to talk about the cheapest smart doorbell. This is like a wireless doorbell with the remote button and the wired bell. We are going to go through this. And the competitor of this is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. This is like pretty costly. I think right now it's $224, but 2 months ago it was $324 or $374 somewhere. And back in November on Thanksgiving, this came down to $199, which is when I bought it. Now the Ring Doorbell Pro has come up with two new versions. One is the wired version, the Ring Video Doorbell Wired, and the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. So we're going to go through all the versions that I like from the Ring. I'm also going to cover the battery version of it. But before we go to the Ring, let's look at the cheaper option. Now this brand is called Kasonic and this is only $17.99 on Amazon. I'm going to share the link for this one. And this has a button which can be installed outside. This is weather resistant. And a bell which will go in your home, and this bell is power supply connected, so you can plug it anywhere in your home without having to worry about the battery dying or anything. It has the speaker and it has 4 volume level. The audio on this, it goes from 25 decibels to all the way 85 decibels, so which is pretty loud. And other than that, this has only 2 devices. One is the transmitter and the receiver. It can cover up to 1000 feet in your home or 300 meters of your home. So the remote control can stay pretty far from the bell. So let's go ahead and unbox this one first. So this assembly comes with everything in the box. So when you open this, you get the screws, the screwdriver for it, and the bell, which is this unit. So as you can see, it has the plug and the speaker, and on this side there's nothing, and on that side you have the music chooser. You have like 36 tones to choose from based on each season. I think you can choose 3 every month. You have so many options to choose from. This volume control gives you 4 options, like 1, 2, 3, 4 levels to go at whatever level you want to play. This doesn't need any batteries as it gets plugged into the power port. And the battery that we get is the 23A or 12 volt battery. I'm sure you can get it online. Amazon also sells their Amazon basic battery for this size, so you can get extra as needed, but this lasts probably more than a year, I suppose. And the remote control, the last piece is this. This is a clickable button. So all you do is just you open this and you install the battery here. You connect it, pack it back, click it, and then you have 2 choices: either to install the screws here, or you get the 2-sided tape along with this. So you get the 2-sided tape and you stick it on the back of this, and you can just stick it anywhere in your home or outside. So yeah, pretty straightforward, simple assembly, and it has 36 tones to choose from. $17.99 price, so smart in its own way. So that is my cheapest option. Now let's go to the smarter versions of this. So the first smarter version that I would compare with this one is the Ring Doorbell 2. Now that version is also a battery operated, where the button or the doorbell which stays outside has a camera and a battery. This is for those who do not have a power supply connected to the mechanical battery. So you can plug this anywhere outside your home, change the battery whenever it dies, keep recharging it, and in your home you can connect it to all your smart devices like your smart TV, your laptop, your phone. Everything has a Ring app, or you have those Alexa, Google Home on all those devices. they can get configured with the Ring app. And anytime you have someone outside on your door, they press the doorbell or there's a motion detected, your smart device will let you know based on whatever configuration you do in your app. So that's the Ring Video Doorbell 2. Now if you have a mechanical bell which is probably not working but has a power supply working on the button, like if you have those buttons like these, the classical buttons with the doorbells where the button outside is good but the mechanical bell inside is not working, or if you don't want that to ring, you just want your smart devices to tell you that someone is at the door, you want all the chimes in your smart devices, not on the mechanical doorbell, then the good option for you is the Ring's new cheaper option, which is Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Now that's only $59.99 in the USA and $79.99 in Canada. You can install it outside, just take this button out and plug that one in using the same circuit. And if you have a mechanical bell in your home, just connect it short and let it sit without ringing. The reason why I say that, because this new Video Doorbell Wired cannot take the load of the power to play the mechanical bell. It needs, I think, 16 volts and this has only 10 volts, so that voltage fluctuation or the difference is there unless you want to buy external transformer to use that, which will cost you extra. And if you don't have any smart devices, you can get the Ring Doorbell Wired with the chime for $104, or the Ring Video Doorbell Wired with the Alexa device, which is the Echo 4th generation, for $114. So I'm going to put the link of all the products in the video description where you can buy. And yes, Amazon will give me some commission if you buy using my link. So that's a disclaimer. So that's the Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Now, it does have some limitations, like it doesn't work on 5G. It only uses 2.4G and it will not ring your main mechanical doorbell. But other than that, all the other benefits that you get in this Ring Video Doorbell Pro are there in that. You can get the smartphone app, person notification, and 1080p display, wide angle view, all the smartphone chime connectivity, all the smart fresh features that you need, for which you probably would be paying $300, are now available in $60 in USA. So if you really don't want to have your mechanical doorbell working, and if you are yet to choose, I would say go with the Ring Video Doorbell Wired, because that's the cheapest option for your wired connection. So the next option that we have is this Ring Video Doorbell Pro versus the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. The first difference between the Pro and the Pro 2 version is the Pro version has a 1080p camera. The Pro 2 version has a 1536p camera. The Pro version will show you a wide view where you can see whatever you see, but with the Pro 2 version it's even wider view. Now they say you can see a head to toe view, so obviously with the wider angle, now they are expecting the camera to show more of a width or the wider view with a bird eye view rather than the Pro version. So Pro 2 camera is obviously better than Pro. But other than that, what they are selling is, now you get Alexa response on, what are you here for? Whenever the doorbell is pressed, you can do a auto voice response, or it has a person only detection. But all those features are software features. So there's no specific new feature where when you say person only or response with voice, that is related to hardware. So when they compare the hardware of the Pro version with the Pro 2 version, I think it's only the camera. I haven't used the Pro 2 version, so I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I learned from the online description, that the camera of the Pro 2 is better and the hardware inside might be better in terms of response. So for example, in my driveway, when I have the motion detection enabled and if someone just drives in and drives away, that super fast response is not there. But based on what I'm reading online for Pro 2, is it has a faster response. So even for those notification, it will let you know. But I don't really see a reason why I would spend another $324 for someone getting in my driveway or in my front door for 5 seconds and then going away. So yeah, that feature wouldn't really excite me to upgrade. So, but if you are yet to buy, yet to choose between two, and the price difference is not much, but right now I see the price is $100 difference. But if you're choosing and you don't see much of a price difference between Pro and Pro 2, go with the Pro 2. That would what I recommend, because it has a better camera and for long term it is always beneficial. But again, you have to choose the cost. At what cost are you getting that extra better camera? But other than that, I don't see much of a difference between the Pro and the Pro 2. For the Pro version, you can see my other video up here where I explained what comes in the box. So let me still show you. When you get the Pro version versus the wired version, when you compare them, you get these metal plates which you don't get in the wired version. So in the Pro version, you get a silver, a cream or a brown plate and a black plate, which I have installed on my door right now. So you get these with the Pro version, not with the wired version. You also get the small chime in some regions. In North America, I did not get the extra chime with this, but if you want to buy, you can get that. And I got the complete assembly kit. Even the drill bit was there, the screwdriver, their favorite orange one, and all the different sizes of screws needed. And one good thing that I got with the Pro doorbell was the angled frames like this one, right? So there were two, with one to point it down and one to point it right or left. So I used both of them to set a good angle of the camera. So that was very beneficial. Like if you have the flat wall and your camera is not really pointing the door, then you definitely need some extra plates to angle your camera in the right direction. Now, what Pro 2 is telling me, or what I'm reading for Pro 2, is the head-to-toe view. Right now, I don't really need a head-to-toe view because I've got the subscription. So if you buy the Pro subscription plan, they have this camera recording the motion. For example, if you have the motion detection activated for person only, so every time if a person walks in front of your camera or comes to your door, the camera starts recording a 1 minute video. It probably starts 5 seconds before the motion is detected, so that it can capture the previous recording as well. And it will store that 1 minute recording for next 30 days. But to get that, you need to buy this $3 monthly plan from Ring. In Canada, it's $3 in 1 month or 1 year $30. So I bought the annual plan, which is really good. So every time I can come back home and check all the motions that happened in front of my door, and if there was something suspicious, I can record that or save that recording or download it. So all those features are good with the subscription plan. So if someone is coming at your door, right, with the package in their hand, you obviously can see the package and the person. You don't want to see them till the end where you see them dropping the package, right? So that feature wasn't really convincing for me, or the selling point for me at least, right? So I can see who came in, who dropped the package, they went or they left empty-handed. So that confirms that they did drop the package in front of my door. So yeah, but if you want a better view, the Pro 2 does give you a better view with 1536p of camera with the head-to-toe look, and obviously a better view. Now another selling point, or the point that they are highlighting for sale, is the pinpoint motion at the distance and from new angles with 3D motion detection and a bird eye view and an aerial view to track the motion around the home. Now how exactly are they going to do it? I don't know. I'm yet to find out. Let me know if you're interested for me to find more details about that particular point. But that is something I would like to know what's new, because I don't think I have that in my Pro version. But in either case, those are all the differences between all the doorbell that I mentioned. So let me know which one did you like and which one will you buy, and I'll give the link for all the products in the video description. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends, like the video, share your comments, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more such videos. So hope to see you again in my some other video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.